My name is Julie and I'm a carpenter, a green woodworker and a general woman of the woods. So today I'm making musical instruments with children and adults, trying to get the adults involved as well. But so we're making whistles and percussive instruments. I think keeping handcrafts alive is really important, and in woodworking I used to use the machines and now I just want to use all hand tools. So it's really fascinating to try and work out how people did stuff and I think there's quite a resurgence in craft using traditional techniques coming back, and yeah, that's important to me. Well, I'm obsessed with whistles and flutes just now. After seeing an artefact here, a whistle here, so yeah, that's my current obsession. I think it's the musical pieces are really interesting. So they've seen the whistle, and also there's the lyre bridge, and I just the level of craft and skill to make such a fine thing is really shows what they're capable of and how sharp they could have their tools. Yeah. And then there's the whole story of like, how did it get here? Was it made here? Did it travel here? So. Oh, that just keeps going and gets bigger, and there's a big craft community around it. Wear a belt.